Hello again, my name's Gabe Zollner. Have you heard the expression, justice is blind? Well, I'm inclined to think that's not the case. And let me tell you why. One of the justices, Anthony Kennedy, he's known as the swing vote judge. Now, why do you think that would be? If he's known as a swing vote judge, wouldn't that indicate to you that there's 4 that would support liberal views and there's 4 that would support conservative groups, and they're all waiting to see what in fact Kennedy supports. He can go either way. Now, do you really think justice is blind? How can it be blind when a number of, well, actually all the individuals that are appointed to the bench are beholding to those that appointed them? Elena Kagan was never even a judge. At least the other ones were all judges. Elena Kagan was an attorney who buried Obama's past, and her reward for having done so is a seat on a Supreme Court. Do you think she'll ever vote against any initiative which would be in opposition to what he wants to accomplish? Hardly. Hardly likely. And the same pretty much applies to Sonia Sotomayor. She owes her seat on a Supreme Court to Barack Hussein and St. Obama as well. Again, if justice were blind, would Anthony Kennedy be known as a swing judge? Why? Doesn't make any sense to me. Yeah, so we're supposed to hear what these justices decide in regard to what was just heard at the Supreme Court, which is Hobby Lobby's case, where Hobby Lobby felt that it's against their religion to comply with the Affordable Care Act, specifically where they have to provide contraceptive means to their employees. We'll see what happens. We'll see if it actually comes down to the wire, and if Kennedy ends up being, as he has in the past, be the swing judge. Justice isn't blind. If it were blind, it would never be like this. They would all follow the law. How can you have 4 say yay and 4 say nay? You can't, if they're all justices. What they do, no different than what happens in the Senate. They vote party line. And that's why the Supreme Court doesn't work. Congress doesn't work. Our government is in shambles. You think not? Well, if you think not, you're asleep at the switch. Look around you. It's a complete, total, utter mess. Supreme Court? Hardly. Being blind? Not true. They vote party line. Sad. Real sad.